about the GST taxation part, so the fintech industry itself is very much emerging. So in the startup itself, we can say the tech part, and especially for the fintech, the way it's playing a pivotal role into the startups and across the region, across the global scenario that we are seeing. So what's your input for the fintech and how your company is playing the pivotal role for the fintechs and all?
So I think our entry into fintech again happened through GST.
Okay.
Because we started developing. I always talk about, when we talk about fintech, India is predominantly asset-based lending country, wherein if you have money, people will lend you money.
Right.
But if you don't have assets to give as a collateral, nobody will lend you money. Now, converting that asset-based lending to a business-based lending, you need data, you need quality data. And GST provides that transaction level quality data for a business-based lending. So we started our journey into fintech with this business-based lending, and I will call ourselves TechFin, not fintech, because we provide technology to the fintechs. We are not into business of lending. But with e-invoicing coming in, factoring coming in, even invoice level financing is going to be the biggest play or disrupting into the market. At the same time, it is extremely critical that whatever fintechs happen into it, they follow the regulatory model, because that's very, very critical. Today we see lot of fintechs suffering because they are not well regulated to an extent. So that is a major change which needs to happen into the fintech industry. Otherwise, India's fintech business is very robust. I was just looking at one of the kind of publication shared by somebody that during the month of April, one of the largest private equity investment has happened into Indian fintech industry.
Right.
So that is growing. It is growing very well, and only challenge it is that it has to comply to the regulatory framework, because regulators are also kind of I would not say scared, but very vigilant in terms of how this is going to pan out.